Really? Happy holidays, folks. I just want to do a quick introduction to these Baja Mirror mounts that I recently got. Got them from a guy on Facebook. I've seen these in online stores, but he met me in person and we did the exchange there. This particular set is made to also hold a pod light right there. This is the bottom, this is the top. It didn't come with these fasteners. The fasteners I've got on here are rivnuts. This part goes into the sheet metal of the body. The rest of it is stainless steel just because it'll be exposed on the outside of the vehicle. Didn't want it to be rusting and looking like shit. Everything else on that thing's rusting just from being in California. So the welds look amazing. It's all powder coated. The rivnuts I'm using number 10 24 TPI screws. Those seem to be the ones that just fit in these little holes. And they'll, considering this is going on the door, they'll help minimize how much damage I do to the door by drilling them and putting them in. Went with the smallest ones, which worked out because that's the size the holes were. Just a 5.5 inch or 5 inch mirror, standard off-road mirror. You can see there. Just have to take this bracket off. Let me see, I got it here. Yeah, take the bracket off, and then it just bolts directly into this hole. Mirror has a swivel on it, so you can move it and then you can tighten it afterwards so it doesn't move on its own. Again, this is for the pod lights. So the next time you see me, I will be drilling holes in my car. See you later. Go. There we go. That was nice and tight too. Alright. Now I just want to do several more. Not likely, but thanks. Smidge. There we are. Sweet. Now we can use these other ones. If I need them. Do I need them? Yeah, I do. Pop you off. Knock you down. Ah! Mother. In there.